Friday, 19th December, about 4:20. Got the right rear tire aired up on the backhoe and went ahead and started it up to do a maintenance run. I think the last time I ran this thing was March of this year. It's been a very long time. It's got a battery disconnect, but the batteries were a little weak, not terrible. I brought out my big charger, put it on them, took a squirt of diesel crack, get it going, not a lot. Got it up on a high idle. Oil level was good, hydraulic level was good. I let it run at high idle for probably 20 minutes. And then I'm gonna drive around the parking lot, get all the fluids going through the transmission, cycle the cylinders, all that good stuff. Got a clear stack. It's a nice backhoe. I don't run it or use it near as much as I should, but same thing with my Deuce and fork truck. One of those things, when you need it, you need it. When you don't, you don't. Yeah, it's a super nice backhoe. And, everything functions as it should. I got seepage on the outrigger cylinders, and it's just seepage, it ain't leakage. So it's not worth repairing them yet. I don't remember what I paid for that thing. It was reasonable for what it is, or I wouldn't have bought it. Of course, it's front wheel assist / 4-wheel drive. It does not have a 4-way bucket on the front and does not have a thumb on the back. That's two things I wish it had, but the backhoe itself, when I bought it, it was a good price point. I bought it from a dealer over in Dallas, Fort Worth area. Had it trucked over here straight to the John Deere dealer, John Deere construction dealer. It's called Doggett. Told them to go through it and let me know if they found any surprises. They changed all the fluids, including the axle fluid on the front, and told me I had a dirty fuel tank. I finally cleaned that last year. Had it cleaned. And so now it's pristine. The fuel system's kicking my butt, but I had a dog that come over and assist with that on the troubleshooting. We found the problem. So now the fuel system's in pretty good shape. Over about 2 weeks' time, it will lose prime to the injection pump. But if I don't wait 2 weeks to start it, it starts up every time. So it's probably got a weak injection pump. And if I was running this thing real regular, I'd have it rebuilt, but I'm not. Same thing with that right rear tire. If I was running it real regular, I'd have a brand new tire on it today, but I'm not. So kind of pick your battles. And, like I said, you know, when you need a backhoe, you need a backhoe. When you don't, you don't. So, anyway, I'm gonna fill up some bird feeders, and I got one more stop to make before I go home. That's to get more lottery tickets. And, that's all for this one. Dang it.